we need to find the dot product between A and B. So how we do the dot product between A and B? We do the first with the first, so we get 5 and we multiply it by 3. We do the second with the second, so negative 2 and 4, and then we add them. Now, if we do this, we all just need to use the calculator. This is 15, negative 8. The final answer is 7. So the answer we get from the dot product AB is only 7. This is the first example here and how to find the dot product. Now, those vectors are in 2D. They just have X and Y. It doesn't matter if it's 2D or 3D, and even if it's higher than 3D. Now, let's see an example where we have a 3D vectors. So in this case, we have A dot B. It will be the first with the first, second with the second, finally third with the third. What is first with the first? I have 4 and 6. Second with second, I have 1, negative 3. And finally, I have 1 over 4, negative 8. What should I do between them? You do between them is just a normal addition. Just add them. Now we just need to find them. This is 24, negative 3, negative 2. The final answer is 19. Remember, 19 is just a number, and that will be the answer for this question here, which is example number 3. The next one, I will give you the vector A and B in terms of ijk. Doesn't matter if it's with ijk, the answer is not. Again, we multiply the number in front of I with the number in front of I, because this is the first and the first. We multiply the number in front of j with the number in front of j. And finally, we multiply the number of k with the number of k, and that's the whole idea. Now look at this. All what we need to do here is we just need to multiply the number in front of I, because this is first, with the number in front of I in B, which is 4, plus the number in front of j, which is 2. Now, if you see here, I don't have j. So the number in front of j, it must be 0 that I didn't write. And finally, the number in front of k with the number in front of k, which is 5 in this example. And of course, the easy way is just plug all those numbers in the calculator. That's one of the easiest way to solve such questions. Otherwise, you can do it one by one. So it will be 12 plus 0. And finally, it will be negative 5. The final answer will be just 7. And that's the dot product for this example.